Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of video generation and how AI is revolutionizing the process. That's right, we're talking about Sora, Runway, and other advanced tools that are changing the game. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is AI? Simply put, it stands for artificial intelligence, and it's the ability of machines to simulate human intelligence. And in the world of video generation, AI is making a huge impact. One key insight to understand is that AI is not here to replace human creativity, but rather enhance it. These tools use complex algorithms and deep learning techniques to analyze data and create stunning visuals. This means that video creators can now spend less time on tedious tasks and more time on the creative aspects of their projects. Let's take a closer look at Sora, a popular AI-powered video editing tool. With Sora, you can simply input your raw footage and desired style, and the AI does the rest. It analyzes the footage, identifies key moments, and edits them together seamlessly. This not only saves time and effort, but also produces high-quality videos that may have taken hours to create manually. Another impressive tool in the world of AI video generation is Runway. This platform allows you to generate videos from scratch using AI. You can choose from a variety of styles and themes, and the AI will generate a unique video for you. This is a game changer for businesses and content creators who need to produce large quantities of videos quickly. But why should you care about AI in video generation? Well, for starters, it's a huge time saver. With these tools, you can produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. This means you can focus on creating more content and engaging with your audience. Plus, AI is constantly evolving and improving. This means that as these tools continue to learn, they will become even more advanced and efficient. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game, it's important to familiarize yourself with AI in video generation. Ready to take your video production skills to the next level? Then it's time to dive into the world of AI. Check out Sora, Runway, and other tools to see how they can enhance your creativity and productivity. And don't forget to subscribe to Fastlane for more tech training and tips. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.